Hello, this is Mati Ahmadi, and in this tutorial we are going to build this clay style cute mushroom with a little help from AI. Let's get started. First, sign up on 3dhunyuan.tencent.com. I've put the link in the description. Go to multiple image and upload the front and back views of your character. I took mine from NanoBanana and asked it to create 3D photo version to make it clearer for AI generation. The prompt is in the first comment. After you upload your reference photo, set the poly count to 50k to get mid-poly object. Click generate and wait a bit. Our cute mushroom with PBR materials is ready. Download it. Drag it into Blender and let's clean it up a little. Merge any vertices that are too close just to make the mesh more reliable. Hold Z and switch to Material Preview. Add a plane and scale it. We'll use it as our shadow catcher. Before that, switch your render engine to cycles, set the GPU, and speed up your workflow. Go to Object Properties, Visibility, and enable Shadow Catcher. Now add the camera and press Ctrl+0 to snap to it. Press N, enable Camera View, and adjust your framing. Change your resolution to a square format. Switch to Render Preview. I'm adding lights using the Light Wrangler add-on, which you can get on Blender Market. I'll put the link below. It's a great add-on for speeding up lighting. Set color management to filmic with medium high contrast. This is what I usually use. Then in the film tab, enable transparent so you'll get a PNG with shadows and no background. Let's tweak the lighting a bit and set render resolution scale to 2 for higher quality final render. Now, drag the corner to open another viewport and go to the shader editor. Uncheck camera to view so the camera stays fixed. Let's build our material, then mix it with the original one. Press Shift+A, add a principal BSDF. Add an image texture. Make sure Light Wrangler is enabled. Then press Ctrl T to bring in the mapping setup. Load the fingerprint texture. You can use your own. Mine is from Quixel. Set the scale to 2. It depends on your texture. Connect the texture to roughness and bump node and hook it up the same way I'm doing here. Now you can see the bumps on the surface. Add a color ramp to control roughness. Now let's grab the base color from the previous material and plug it into this new shader. Now delete the extra textures. I'll do a few small adjustments and then hit F12 to render. Support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Your engagement drives the next round of high impact tutorials. See you later.